Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have the data. Now add the IF formula where the decision needs to happen. Click the target cell, type equals IF, and point to the logical test, for example A250. Once done, type a comma and supply the value for true, then another comma and the value for false. Make sure to use cell references when results must update automatically. Before you press enter, double-check parentheses and commas. That prevents the most common syntax errors and saves time. Now expand the logic. When one true/false pair isn't enough, nest IFs or use IFS for clearer multi-branch rules. For multiple simultaneous requirements, wrap the logical test with an or, for example equals IF, and A250, B2 equals yes. Pass, review. Once done, you can embed lookup or text functions inside the true/false results to format output or pull values. Make sure to keep nesting depth manageable and comment complex complete by copying the formula across the range. Adjust dollar anchors so references behave as expected. Then validate. Test edge cases, use conditional formatting to highlight unexpected results, and inspect a few cells manually. If formulas can encounter division by 0 or missing data, wrap the IF with IFERER or add a preliminary IF to check inputs. If things go wrong, revert to a simple logical test and build back up stepwise. That isolates the failing part quickly and prevents cascading errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.